Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about module number 3. In module number 3, first of all we will discuss about Hooke's law. The great scientist Hooke says, load applied on the wire, extension will be produced. Or we can say that stress is directly proportional to strain. When stress is applied, then strain will be produced. According to Hooke's law, stress, or we can say that load, directly proportional to extension. Load directly proportional to extension. If load is replaced by stress, Young's modulus. If load is replaced by stress, directly proportional to strain. Stress that is equal to constant T elasticity E into strain. Elasticity that is equal to stress divided by strain. There are three types of elasticity. First one is Young modulus of elasticity. In Young modulus of elasticity, that is ratio of normal stress to longitudinal strain. That is called Young modulus of elasticity. Young modulus of elasticity will exhibit in the only solids. Second one is bulk modulus of elasticity. Bulk modulus of elasticity means ratio of normal stress to volumetric strain. Now dimensions of bulk modulus of elasticity are same as dimensions of stress. Bulk modulus of elasticity can exist in solids, liquids and gases. And third one is modulus of rigidity. In modulus of rigidity means tangential stress divided by the shearing strain. Tangential stress divided by the shearing strain, that is unitless and dimensionless. Again we get dimensions of stress. So all types of elasticity, whether it is Young modulus of elasticity, bulk modulus of elasticity or modulus of rigidity, we will get same dimensions as that of strain because strain is dimensionless. Now Young modulus of elasticity. Young modulus of elasticity, first Young modulus of elasticity. It is represented by Y, that is normal stress divided by the longitudinal strain. Normal stress, that is normal component of restoring force divided by the area. Longitudinal strain, that is delta L upon L. This can be written as Fn into L divided by delta L A into delta L. Now dimensions are same as that of stress, that is units, and dimensions are same as that of stress. So units and dimensions, that is Newton per meter square. And dimensional formula M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. In case of bulk modulus of elasticity. Bulk modulus of elasticity. Second one is bulk modulus of elasticity. B. Bulk modulus of elasticity, that is normal stress divided by volumetric strain. Normal stress can be written as Fn divided by A, volume stress minus volumetric strain delta V divided by V. Force divided by area, that is pressure. Pressure P delta V divided by V. Now, unit and dimensions are same. Unit Newton per meter square or Pascal. Dimensions are same as that of M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. Dimensions are same as that of stress. Bulk modulus of elasticity can exist in all types of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases. Young modulus of elasticity can exist only in solids. So bulk modulus of elasticity is inversely proportional to compressibility. B. Bulk modulus. Of elasticity. B. Inversely proportional to compressibility. If material is compressed, compressibility is increased, then bulk modulus of elasticity will decrease. Then there is reciprocate of compressibility. And third one is modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity. Eta. Modulus of rigidity, that is tangential stress divided by shearing strain. Divided by shearing strain. Tangential stress, that is tangential component of storing force divided by area, or shearing strain, that is theta, that is equal to delta L divided by L. Formula same. Now units and dimension also same is Newton per meter square, or dimensions are, that is M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. This is Young modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity is calculated as and denoted by the eta. Now next one is we will discuss about stress strain curve, or we will say that we can take a wire that can be subjected to load test. When load is increased, then what will be change in the strain? When load removed from the wire, we will check the strain in the wire. Thank you. Have a nice day.